Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm making a Wendy's Frosty. The recipe I followed is in the description box below. It was actually kind of hard to source ingredients as we don't have Cool Whip in Australia. In the first attempt I made mock cream, but as you can see it split when I mixed it with the chocolate milk and the condensed milk. Mix your chocolate milk, condensed milk, and Cool Whip or whatever you substitute it with until well combined and put it in the freezer for 3 to 6 hours or just before it completely freezes. If you like this video, don't forget to leave a like or a comment, or subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching!